Welcome to Famigo Dashcam, where ordinary drives take a wild turn when you least expect it. Buckle up, hit subscribe, and let's see what the road has in store today.
This hasn't been as busy since
Rushing through an intersection can flip more than just a car. It can turn a peaceful day upside down. Stay with us and subscribe for more unforgettable moments. A moment's rush can lead to a long pause. Patience on the road always costs less than a moment of haste.
So that's the guy reporting on that is not wrong. Oh my God. I decided to go on the air and not tell Jay.
A car crash compilation like this reminds us that focus behind the wheel is never something to take for granted. Dashcam car crashes remind us that control behind the wheel isn't just skill, it's awareness in every moment.
Have you ever tried the big ones?
It's one way to say hello on the road, just not a very friendly one. Wet roads don't forgive fast hands or heavy feet.
We have roles. I'm kind of the keeper of where's the pin and where are we here?
Yeah. What's my role?
You are very much the keeper of dang it. We've gone too long without announcing what the...
Just a moment of lost control at that height leaves no room for recovery. What do you think is the most important thing to stay calm behind the wheel? Share your thoughts below. Nature doesn't follow traffic rules. Always expect the unexpected. Crossing the road takes more than courage. It takes timing and awareness.
And now our one main guy at the...
When two cars rush to the same spot, patience always proves cheaper than repairs. And calmness takes you farther than speed ever will. Anger might feel powerful, but it always leaves something broken behind. That's one surprise entrance nobody was ready for.
Oh shit!
How the hell do we get away from that?
This hasn't been as
On a
busy
packed
since
highway,
last
patience is worth more than horsepower.
Oh my God!
No light is worth rushing through if it puts your safety on the line. High speed leaves no room for sudden moves, only for consequences. Speed feels good until control runs out. Losing control can happen in an instant, but the regret that follows tends to last much longer. If a vehicle that big loses control, the idea of a small mistake simply doesn't exist.
So it's like...
That move looked like a last-minute play in a football game, only without the touchdown.
When I came here, I'm 29.
When control slips, even a straight road can turn unpredictable.
I think he's conscious.
Boundaries exist for a reason, and ignoring them rarely ends well. At night, headlights show the road, but focus keeps you on it. A signal means nothing if timing and awareness don't follow. Showmanship has no place on the road, only control and caution do. It truly is a meeting no one was hoping for. That moment felt like a scene straight out of NASCAR, just without the cheering crowd. A moment's inattention from behind can turn the whole road ahead into trouble. Technology assists, but it can't replace awareness.
Stay calm down. You built a lot of
A few extra feet of space can prevent a world of trouble. Sudden moves on the road rarely lead to smooth endings. Sometimes the rush to get there makes you forget what's really at risk. Backing up like it's practicing a dance no one asked for. Tell us, what would you do in that situation? That looked like rush hour meets a bad line at Starbucks. Too close, too fast, and everyone ends up waiting. The atmosphere at that intersection felt just like a Black Friday opening, everyone fighting for space like it's the last deal on the shelf. A few inches made the difference between a scare and a tragedy.
Thank you for watching Famigo Dashcam. Stay focused on the road, keep a steady hand on the wheel, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next video.